All right, we're gonna take this beautiful hanging rib. We're gonna separate the rib portion from it, and we're gonna cut some rib steaks after. Get it on our saw here. There we go. We got the plate portion, and we got the rib portion. Look at the beauty there. Dry age. Let's take the backbone off. All right, once we get it to this point, we're going to use our knife. I'm going to peel off these feather bones here. So you can just take your knife and get right underneath it. Just stay right along the edge so you're not losing any meat. You can just kind of cut right under. You can hear that. So you got to cut a little bit more. Just missed the last little bit. All right, once we get underneath all those feather bones, right at the bottom of the rib, you can see this beautiful prime rib here. All right, so next we're going to take the cap off. Cap is this section here. You can just pull it away. Use a little bit of your knife. You can hear it just pulling right away. Just using the knife just to cut the last little bit. There we go. Next thing you got it, just take the paddy whack away. Pull it out of there. We're ready to cut our prime rib. Look at that beauty.